Okay, third video. Just wanted to go over the major issues with my Dylan XL 750, nicknamed Yugo. Yugo initially, one of the problems was that this little mechanism here, and this is, let's see if I can get it to come out. There we go. There's your primer feed. That's your primer cup. This is your primer slide. They had sent me the wrong one, and it was for a 550C as in Charlie machine. That's 100 thousandths difference between the cup height. So for 3 weeks, I sat here for a couple hours a night trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. One of the things I noticed was that this little black tin flap wasn't extracting out, which means it wasn't seeing the cup. And when I got a hold of an excellent guy down at Dylan, Steve, I'm not going to give his last name. I tell you what, you get this guy, he will get you fixed. Unfortunately, he doesn't have time to fix all the problems with my Dylan XL 750 or Yugo, and I wish he did. But yeah, that was the first problem. So we got the new primer slide assembly and new primer cup out, and that fixed it for about 2,000, 3,000 rounds, and now unfortunately it's doing it again. It's not picking up the primers consistently. Found out here, one of the issues was it will drop through the inner tube and go down, but it won't go past the little blue plastic, I don't know what you call it, a connector at the bottom of this tube, and put it on the primer. And I've tried opening that up. I've tried putting a new little plastic connector on there. That didn't work. I actually got sent by air. I guess the guys in shipping screwed up at Dylan. A second one of these. This is the newer one. This is the one that just came in. The older one is sitting over here, just not doing anything. It's been retired until I need it again, I guess. So that's a problem. Don't know why that's not picking up. Numerous calls and emails into Dylan. Again, unless you're talking to Steve, you're really kind of just, well, wasting your time. Anyway, that's a problem. I'll bring in the other problems as we go on. I still have to talk about the Redding deprimer pin, rather, falling off. And then also to the jamming. You can see it here. When the brass comes off of this tray here onto this carousel, the case feeder going onto the carousel, I get jamming. And I think I almost had that fixed, but I'll talk a little bit about that the next video. Thanks.